Wow! Today is nandito kami sa Acacia Playground. Nandito na naman kami. Ayan. Ganda-ganda talaga dito, guys. Hop, hop, little bunnies. Hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunnies. Hop, hop, hop. Hop.
Mommy.
Hold.
Mommy, take a hop, hop.
Hop, mommy. Hop.
Mama.
Hop.
No, hop.
Hop.
No, take a hop, hop, mama.
Hop. Hop. Hop, 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 hop.
Hop.
Hop. Very good. Oh, careful. Hop, hop. Look at this.
Mommy.
Yes. The cement mixer. Wow. Cement mixer. Yes. Aray.
Hop, hop.
Ow. Ah, kinagat ako ng ants. Oh. Ants bite me.
Lemon.
No more. Yeah.
Hop. Take a hop, hop.
Mahap-hap daw kami. Kumain na kami ng tinapay. Hop, hop, hop. Hop, hop, hop. Hop. Dogs, 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 dogs. Hop. Hop. So many dogs. Oh. Hop. There's ants? Oh. Yeah, ouchie, ouchie. Ang ganda dito. Presko dito, guys. May mga pang-exercise pa dito. Ang lawak ng sakop ng leaves niya. Covered niya yung buong playground. Kahit tanghali dito pwede maglaro mga bata, hindi mainit. Kasi ang ganda ng ano. Okay. Ang ganda ng ano. Ganda ng covering ng acacia tree. Pang ano natin sa ants? Okay. Okay, okay. Have a great day, everyone. Hope this video finds you well. Thank you so much for watching. Good morning to all. God bless. And of course, sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe, please subscribe to our channel, Silly Rain Iniana. Bye. Bye, everyone. Wow, look at that. It's whale. Yeah, it's whale. Hold. Hop. Hop, hop, hop. Hop. Hop, 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 hop. Go. Hop. Hop, hop.